This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Update the custom cast app and your device OS so components match. Once done, restart both the streaming device and router to clear temporary states, because many black screens come from stale network or app caches. Next, check physical connections and permissions. Reconnect HDMI or USB and allow camera, microphone, and display permissions, since missing permissions or loose cables are the most immediate causes of a black output. You now move into the detailed execution. Clear the app cache and data to remove corrupt session files, then sign back in so stream tokens rebuild correctly. This often fixes initialization failures. Next, adjust encoder settings, switch between hardware and software encoding, and lower the bitrate to reduce overload, because encoders can fail silently. Finally, test a different input, or scene, to determine whether the black screen is caused by a particular source or the app itself. You finish by reinstalling the app to replace any damaged binaries and restore default settings, since that eliminates hidden configuration corruption. Make sure to back up scene presets first. Update capture device firmware and only use a factory reset if other steps fail, because resets remove custom profiles. If problems persist, capture logs and timestamps, then contact support. Providing error messages and exact steps reproduces the issue faster. This troubleshooting tip saves time and leads to a quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.